What does a game that rips off 4 other games even look like? Well, let's find out. It's January the 20th, otherwise known as National Procrastination Day. So I coded a video game that is simply a combination of bonk.io, shooters.io, Fortnite, and Pac-Man. All are delectable games that I sample from time to time, except for shooters.io, which IDK no longer exists. Now, let's sketch out the idea for this. The player is going to be like the bonk.io player, jumping and having a shield.
But they'll be jumping around in a Pac-Man van.
NPC ghosts, and each player can shoot their own bullets. I don't know, there'll be Fortnite also. This plan is flawless and beautiful, and I have no idea what I'm doing. You might say I've gone bonkers. So we begin with the map and the colliders. It's pretty much what I did for my Reluctant Pac-Man game, but lower quality since I'm feeling lazy. Anyway, next we conjure up a player, but the player doesn't really do anything, so we bestow upon the player the powers of physics. We also move the player depending on the keyboard input via this script. Look at that, we've already checked off 2 things on our list. The bonk.io shielding mechanic sure is interesting, but it was also fairly easy to implement. I want the shield to slow him down, so we simply up the drag while holding Z key. Gnarly, but not nearly stimulating enough, even with the neon green background. So it was time for shooting bullets. Bullets look like squares, so I made the bullets squares. Is anyone else getting Fortnite vibrations? I thought so. And with bullets comes people to shoot bullets at, so I added some helpless victims. So these ghosts just sort of bounce around since I was too lazy to actually make AI. When the ghost touches you, you lose a health point, and once you've lost all your health, the game restarts. In shooters.io, you grow when you kill enemies, so I stole that. But actually, what's the point of growing if you can't split into small copies of yourself? So I coded that too. I also added a chug jug and a Fortnite dude for obvious reasons. 2 power-ups that buff the player a little too much. And with that, my game slightly works, so I built it out and slapped it in itch.io with a somewhat questionable title. You can play Booter Nightman right now, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching. In fact, I truly appreciate when people put their time and energy to stare at a bright light while listening to me ramble about game dev. I also appreciate when people subscribe, like, comment, and share, but I can acknowledge that that's a little extreme for the average couch potato.